So today we will be starting with the new chapter, and the name of that chapter is Internet as a Post Office. All of you open your books on page number 116. All of you. So I'm sharing the screen also with you. We are going to start a new chapter. We are going to start a new chapter, and the name of that chapter, as I already told you, the name of that chapter is chapter number 11 it is, and the name is Internet as a Post Office. We all are already familiar with the term internet. Yes, few of I think all of you know what an internet is. So before starting with the topic, let me ask Puranjay. Puranjay, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Puranjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you give some introduction about internet? Internet क्या होता है बेटा जी? You are using internet these days quite, right?
Yes.
Can you just explain in your language what internet is?
We can use internet for gaining knowledge.
All right. So this is one of the use of internet, right? So Suhana,
Yes, ma'am. Through internet, ma'am, we can connect anywhere in the world and we can get any information.
very good.
What is happening?
Yes, basically internet means connection of different computers all around the world. Means you are sitting at your home place and you can have a talk, or you can have a video conference with a person or with a relative that is sitting abroad or in any other part of your country with the help of the internet. Means internet provides us a facility that we can connect with our relatives, with our friends that are sitting far away from us, right? So let us start about something to know about internet. So is the screen visible, all of you? Yes. So the first, we will be starting with the introduction, and the introduction we are going to start is of internet. So what internet is basically, just a minute. So what internet is basically, internet is a global network that connects millions of computers. Now, what do you mean by global network? Global network means all around the globe. Means the computers that are present all around the globe or all around all of the world, when these computers they are connected with one another, this connection is possible with the help of the internet. So internet is what basically, internet is a global network that connects millions of computers. You can connect the computer, like you're sitting at your home place, and if your relative is sitting in, let's say, Delhi or in USA or in any other part of the world, you can connect with that person with the help of the internet. Clear? Now, the next is uses. In this sentence, there are some of the uses of internet. What you can do with internet? You can search information on any topic, right? If you do not know the meaning of any word, or if you have been assigned any task or any assignment has been given to you, you can search the information related to that topic on the internet, right? So basically in the use of internet is that we can search any kind of information on the net. Internet is also known as net. You all of you know that, na? Internet is commonly also known as net. Short form is NET, net. And the full form of internet, it is international network. The full form of internet is, you can note it down side by side on your books also, Beta ji. The full form of internet is international network. Clear? International for inter, network for net. Clear? So as I have already told that with the help of internet, you can search information on any topic, either related to any of the subject, any query that you are having, that can be searched, that can be looked on from the internet also. There are different websites from where you can search the information. You people can also buy and sell goods. Online shopping. All of you are very familiar with online shopping. You people order something from the online websites like Amazon or Flipkart. You order something from there, right? And also you can sell your goods, sell your products online also. Like if you are purchasing some products, other person is selling them, right? So you can buy and sell goods or products with the help of the internet. Clear? Next is share information. You can share information with any one of you if you have the internet facility. Like you people share notes. आपने notebook में अपने question answers कर लिए. If your friend is asking, you send them notes. आप उनको question answer send करते हैं, right? So you share the information with the help of the internet, and this is only possible if you are having internet connection. Means if your computer system is connected with the another system, and the connection is done with the help of the internet. Clear? Besides this, any other use, if you know? Any other use, like you have searched, you can search the information, you can buy and sell the goods, you can share the information, also you can any other use, then we will discuss later on. Any other use from your side? 6C. I want active participation from all of you, beta. Any other use from of internet from your side, if you know? Only Suhana knows. All of you are using internet. I think most of the time you are on the mobile phones or you are using the systems, computer systems or laptops. Yes, Bhavesh? Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Any other use, Bhavesh?
Ma'am, we can use internet for using Zoom class,
For using?
for using online class.
Yes, means online classes you can attend. You are attending the online classes is only possible if you are having the internet connection, right?
Ma'am, for chatting.
For chatting, very good. All right, let's ask you another use from Bhavya. Mute yourself, Bhavesh. Bhavya, any other use?
Ma'am, internet is internet is used for social networking, and we can send email.
Yes, you can send emails, you can send the messages from to the other person with the help of the internet. You can use basically many of the people, they are connected over the internet also with the help of social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You are connected with many of the people of your friends or your relatives with the help of the social networking sites, right? Clear. Any other use? Last one, then we will quickly come upon to the next topic. Any other use? Yes, let's ask it from Mishti Puri. Mishti Puri,
Yes, ma'am.
any
Ma'am,
other
we
use?
can communicate with teachers and other kids.
Yes, means not only teachers or kids, you can communicate with any one of. Yeah, you can communicate with anyone. That is a common point. आप एक common point उसको बना सकते हैं. Yeah, point is correct. Internet is used for communication, or if you have written that it is used for chatting, and the next point you are writing that it is used for communication, You can consider it one thing only, because communication is also being done with the help of chatting also. If you are chatting with one person, it means you are communicating with them, right? So you cannot write these points as separate points. Clear, Sixi? These are the small things that you have to learn, that if you have written one point that internet is used for chatting, right? And in the next point you are writing internet can be used for communication purposes. So these 2 points can be clubbed as one. हम इसको एक single point consider कर सकते हैं, right? कि means if you are chatting with someone, अगर आप किसी person के साथ chat कर रहे हैं, या मैं आपसे chatting कर रही हूँ किसी topic के related, so it means that we are communicating with one another, right? So that is a sort of वो एक ही point consider हो जाता है. Clear? Otherwise the point is correct. Chatting and communication, ये point दोनों correct है. आप इसको एक single point में merge करेंगे. Clear? All of you? All right. So I will be asking the last one to, let's ask Manik. Yes, Manik, quickly. Last one. Manik, I think you have raised your hand. Okay, Natik. Natik, quickly.
Ma'am, for seeing YouTube videos.
Right. You can, with the help of internet, you can watch any type of cartoons, any type of movies, web series on the internet also. Clear? So these are some of the points that help you to clarify the uses of the internet. So the next point, that is, it is also a very popular medium for communication, as it provides various communication services like email, chatting, social networking, etc. That we have already discussed, that if you are chatting with someone, that is considered as only communication. Clear? So these were some of the uses of internet. One more use of internet, that you can book online tickets also, right? You can book online tickets. If you want to go from one place to another, you can book the tickets for that purpose sitting at your home only. आप घर पे बैठे ही ऑनलाइन टिकट्स जो है वो बुक कर सकते हैं. चाहे आपने कोई मूवी देखने जाना है, that tickets can also be booked online, right? Then also one more point, that if you are using the internet, you people can, if you're using the internet facility, you people can communicate with any of the persons using any of the medium like email, social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram. You can communicate with anyone. Clear? So this was the internet topic that we have discussed. Now coming upon to the next topic, that is your email. All of you know something about email. आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ पता होगा email होता क्या है. Any one of you who has sent email? किसी ने send की हो कभी email? Email को हम generally mail भी कहते हैं. Any one of you, if you have sent mail to anyone? Quickly raise your hand if you have sent a mail to anyone. No one of you? All okay. Akriti, okay, she has not sent. So email basically, like it is a sort of the message that you people send with the help of the internet. In the previous days, what used to happen is that you people write a letter, you post it in the post office, then the postman collects it and delivers it to the particular address जो आपने send किया है. Right? So means it used to take 10 to 15 days to reach to the destination. This person को आपने अपनी message send करना है, it used to take a little bit of time. But nowadays, with the help of the internet, what you can do is you can send your message sitting at one place to the another person who is sitting at the other place. Just that message, it reaches within a second. When you are using the email, अगर आप किसी person को message send कर रहे हैं, with the help of email, it reaches to the other person within seconds. जैसे आप chatting करते हैं basically, वो होती है, what in the case of chatting, what is done कि you can receive the reply instantly also. जैसे मैंने अभी कोई मैसेज टाइप किया, साथ ही में मेरे को रिप्लाई बैक आ गया. ईमेल में क्या होता है, when the other person will read that message, तो वो उन पर्सन को उस टाइम पे वो रिप्लाई करेगा. So the first thing, full form of email. Email is electronic mail. E stands for electronic. Email is electronic mail which allows different people to send their messages instantly over the network. Means with the help of the internet, with the help of the network, you can send the message to the other person instantly. Means उसी टाइम पे आप मैसेज जो है उसको सेंड कर देते हो और उसको क्या होता है, रिसीव भी हो जाता है on the same time. Clear? Now, there are few uses of these internet. These email. Email के कुछ uses हैं that with the help of email, a lot of time can be saved. Means, as I already told, अभी मैंने starting में जैसे बताया, in previous days when you used to send, आपने अगर कोई message send करना होता था, तो क्या होता था, you people write letter, फिर आप उसको पोस्ट करने जाते थे, फिर उसके बाद आप उसको पोस्टमैन उसको डिलीवर करता था. सो इट टेक्स नॉर्मली अ वीक टाइम, एक वीक का टाइम लग जाता है नॉर्मली. जैसे आपने राखी में भी अगर रक्षाबंधन होता है तो यू पीपल सेंड दी राखीज टू योर ब्रदर और सिस्टर जो दूर बैठे होते हैं, उनको भी आप जब राखी भेजते हो तो एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो आप उसको 10-15 दिन पहले सेंड कर देते हैं, राइट, सो दैट इट कैन रीच बिफोर टाइम. वो रक्षाबंधन से पहले आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर को जो भी है वो आपको पहुंच जाए. क्लियर? सो बट व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग ईमेल, दैट ईमेल, अब राखी तो आप ईमेल पे सेंड नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो यू व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, आपको जो ईमेल है, अदर मैसेजेस जो आप भेजते हैं, इट सेव्स योर टाइम. वो आपका क्या करते हैं, टाइम सेव करते हैं. क्लियर? दैट कैन बी सेविंग योर टाइम. वो एक within 1 second, within 2 seconds, अगर नेटवर्क इशू ना हो तो it can be sent to the other person. Clear? So these are the uses that we are discussing, uses of email. It saves time. Then emails are delivered very fast over the network. As I already told you, they can be delivered very fast to the other person with the help of the internet. Then next point, it can be sent to more than one persons. Is it right? आपने एक email, एक message जो है आप एक से ज्यादा persons को भी send कर सकते हैं. Like if you are using, अगर मैं chatting की बात करूँ, WhatsApp की अगर बात करूँ, तो you people have created a group. आपने अपने friends का, अपनी class का group जैसे बना होता है, तो means like if your class group is there, उसमें all the students are added. If one teacher wants to send any message, एक मैसेज टीचर ने भेजा, that message has been received by all the students of your class. Yes, so in the same way you can send the messages over the with the help of the email. अगर आपने email send करनी है, that particular email can be sent to more than one persons. Clear? वो एक से ज्यादा persons को क्या हो सकती है, send हो सकती है. Clear? Then it costs less as people do not need to pay for every email. Can anyone explain me this point? Last point, anyone? It costs less as people do not need to pay for every email. Very simple point. Anyone can explain? Suhana has raised her hand. Bhavya. Okay, let's ask then Suhana.
यस मैम. मैम जब हम ईमेल सबको घर घर भेजते हैं तो मैम वहाँ पे हमको लेटर्स को, पेपर्स लेने के लिए हमको पैसे जो हैं वो करने पड़ते हैं, और मैम हमको स्टैम्प्स भी लेनी पड़ती हैं, और मैम हमको कवर भी लेना पड़ता है. और मैम जब हम ऑनलाइन भेजते हैं ईमेल के थ्रू, तो मैम हमको सिर्फ इंटरनेट लगवाने के लिए मनी जो है वो उसको खर्चनी पड़ती है.
Very good. So this point, it says that it costs less as people do not need to pay for every email. Whenever you want to send any email to the other person, अगर आपने कभी भी email send करनी है किसी दूसरे person को, तो just what you need to do is you need to type the email जो आपने message send करना है. You need to type the message. You are having your internet connection. You are having your internet connection, and that internet connection will help you to send that message to the other person. Means, but when you are sending when you want to send the letter, अगर आप normal, अगर without the internet अगर हम बात करें, अगर आप normal letter send करते हैं, तो what you need to do is आपको पहले letter purchase करनी पड़ेगी, आपको letter purchase करनी पड़ेगी, फिर उसके ऊपर जो stamps हैं, जो आपकी कवर वगैरह जो भी एवरीथिंग जो भी होता है उसको परचेज करके फिर आपको पोस्ट ऑफिस जाके उसको डिलीवर करना पड़ेगा, उसको पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा, which will result in wastage of time. Yes, so but here what you need to do is in case of this in case of email, just you need to pay for the internet only. आपको इंटरनेट की पेमेंट करनी पड़ती है. Rest of what is you can use the internet for any other purposes also. साथ साथ आपकी emails भी send हो रही है. Single email can be sent to the other persons, to the large number of person. एक email हम कितने persons को send कर सकते हैं. But अगर यही मैं दूसरे वे से send करूं, अगर मैं letter write करके हर एक person का, अगर मैंने एक ही letter 10 persons को भेजनी है, तो मेरे को 10 envelopes purchase करने पड़ेंगे. 10 I need to purchase the stamp cards. Stamps मेरे को purchase करने पड़ेंगे, तो that will be costing me more. But here I will type one letter और उसी मैसेज को मैं दूसरे एक से ज्यादा पर्सन को क्या कर सकती हूँ, सेंड कर सकती हूँ. Is it clear all of you? All of you clear? All right. So now the next topic that we are going to discuss is some of the web related terms. First one is website. Website is what? It is a collection of web pages that provides information to the users. Website is basically the collection of different web pages, and those web pages, they are used to provide information to the different users. Means जो वेब पेजेस है वहां से आप कुछ भी रीड कर सकते हैं, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन, कोई भी आपको ग्राफिक्स है, कोई भी आपको टेक्स्ट चाहिए, यू कैन take that text or graphics with the help of the web pages that are attached with the help of the website. Clear? Then next you have is web page. Web page is what? It is just like a page in your book. जैसे आपकी book का एक page होता है, that page in your book, it contains images also, it contains text also, right? In the same way, web page is the page on the internet. A page on the internet that contains information in the form of text or graphics. Graphics can be images also, or it can be any shape, which in any shape that includes text. कोई भी shape जिसमें text include किया गया हो. So web page is what? It is a page on the internet that can contain information in the form of text or graphics. Clear? Then you have is home page. Homepage is the first page of your website. Whenever you open any website, the first page that is displayed, उस पेज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Home page. Clear? And the last one is your URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. The URL is basically used, it basically refers to the unique address or location of a website. Like every house, हर एक house का एक address होता है, right? हर एक घर का एक address होता है, हर एक बच्चे के घर का एक address होता है. So in the same way, if you want to visit any website, अगर आपने कोई भी website visit करनी है, that website has a particular address. उसका एक particular name address उसका होता है, and that address is referred as URL. Clear? The address of any website or any the address or the location of any website, it is termed as the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Clear? Clear, all of you? I'm sharing the screen with all of you. Here I am going to open one website. Can you see the screen? Can you see the Google screen over? All right. So I'm going to type, let's say if I want to enter the, I want to enter the, open the banking website. So I have selected hdfc.com. So this is your URL. Here you type the address. This is your address bar and this is the URL of the HDFC Bank. This is the address of the website of the HDFC Bank. Clear? Just a second, processing is going on. Right. So now this is the bank, the website has been opened. Now this first page, this is the page that you are seeing on your screen. This is your home page. Means the first page of any website that is termed as your home page. Clear? Then these are your pages. जैसे आपके pages, web pages. You can click on any web page and can select any of your required options. Clear? Like loan products, if I want to see what are the loan facilities available by the HDFC Bank. So I will click on this web page. So यहाँ पे I will click on this link and then there are different loans that are available. You can click on any loan, any link that you want to open. Clear? All of you clear? So this is the way you can click on any of your website. Clear, beta ji? All of you clear now? All right. So if you people, these are the concepts, some of the web related terms that you need to study. Every website has a home page. हर एक website का कोई ना कोई home page होता है. The first page जो भी आप website को जब आप open करते हैं, the first page that is being displayed उसको हम home page कहते हैं. Is it clear, beta? All of you? All right. So